Ever wondered why your desktop drive can't keep up with your security cameras? Let's break it down. Let's keep it simple. Your CCTV is like a security guard, working all day, every day. Would you hire a guard who only shows up part-time? That's what you're doing if you use a regular desktop HDD in your DVR or NVR. Surveillance HDDs are built for the long haul, designed to run 24/7 non-stop. Desktop drives? They're like working a desk job, 8 hours and done. Surveillance drives also handle tons of video streams at once, so your footage stays smooth. Desktop drives can get overwhelmed, hello choppy or missing video. Plus, surveillance HDDs can take the heat, literally. They're made for high endurance and low power use, so they last longer and fail less. And here's the secret sauce: special firmware. That means faster video access, fewer interruptions, and better performance, even with a bunch of cameras. Bottom line, don't risk your security with the wrong drive. Spend a little more now, save yourself a major headache later. Always pick a surveillance HDD. Your CCTV and your peace of mind will thank you.